welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my first fall shop with me for 2025. I wanted to get out early this year and see what they had at TJ Maxx, especially because if you don't grab up what you want from there, it goes quick. So we started in July this year. I'm not going to decorate for fall anytime soon, so don't worry. We're just doing some shopping, but I found some really good stuff. It was actually a girls' day with Annie Kate because Oliver was at his grandparents' house and it was so much fun. She is hilarious and she actually got her first Starbucks cake pop. So that was really fun. We got our Starbucks and then we went to TJ Maxx, we went to Kirkland's, Hobby Lobby, and Target. I think that's it. And we found some really cute stuff for fall. But while we were out, I actually found some really cute stuff to add in her room too. So I'm going to do that first in today's video, and then I'm going to share my fall haul with y'all. But I've been really wanting to warm up her room with some more gold and then also some like dark basket color because it just needs a little bit more depth in here. She's got these really light pink walls and it just feels like a lot of pink and I love it, but I also want to just add a little bit more depth. So I wasn't even looking for this yesterday, but I found these and I fell in love. So let me show you the goose one first. This one says, "Be honest," and it's got a little goose with a gold frame. And I just thought that was so pretty. And then this one is a little bunny rabbit and it says, "Be sweet." And then the last one is a little teddy bear and it says, "Be kind." And I thought these would be so precious hanging right on top of each other like that on the wall that we added those baskets to last week. I'm going to take those baskets down. I feel like they kind of downgraded that space in a way. And so I'm going to move those to right behind her door where nobody really sees because I think they make great storage and they add some warmth to her room, but they don't belong right there. So we're going to move them. And then I think I'm going to move my living room lamp back on her dresser because I loved it there. I've been missing it. And we'll just get a new lamp for the living room. And then I'm on the hunt for a really pretty girly feather lamp for that corner over there. I shared that in a recent video when I was cleaning her room. At first I wasn't really sure about having two lamps in her room, one for her dresser and one over there in the corner, like a floor lamp. But then I was reading on Pinterest that Nancy Myers actually recommends like 3 to 6 lamps per room, which is amazing because I love lamp light, especially when the lights go down at night. You can turn on all the lamps and it's just really cozy. Her room is really small though, so I think I'm going to stick to just 2 lamps. But anyways, I'm going to add that lamp in here today. Her room's a big mess. So I'm going to clean it up. Will just lowered her mattress down. We're going to try to get her in her own bed at night. She's been climbing on everything. So we were scared she was going to climb out unless we raised it down or lowered it down all the way. So we lowered her crib. Let's go ahead and clean up her room. I'm going to hang her new pictures and then we will do a fall haul. Okay, that's literally so cute. I'm obsessed. Let's get Annie Kate's little sheets and blankets washed up for her. I'm going to be using my Earth Breeze detergent sheets. Is it just me, or is everyone else constantly hearing about all of the unnecessary chemicals in foods, soaps, and basically everything we use these days? So many laundry detergents are packed with harsh chemicals that can irritate your skin and mess with your hormones. I've switched to Earth Breeze because not only is it free from harsh chemicals, brighteners, dyes, parabens, phosphates, preservatives, but there's no heavy, messy plastic jug, just a pre-measured sheet that dissolves and gets the job done. It's also eco-friendly because it comes in cardboard packaging. Our laundry comes out so fresh and so soft. It is so easy to switch over to Earth Breeze, and if you're not completely satisfied, they have an amazing money-back guarantee. Right now, you can try Earth Breeze for up to 40% off plus 4 free gifts at earthbreeze.com/LaurenY. That's 40% off plus 4 free gifts. Thank you so much to Earth Breeze for sponsoring today's video. I actually bought these little this floral pillow and this little velvet pillow for our living room to try to help make it a little bit more traditional in there, add a little bit of color, but not too much, and I just could not do it. I do not like these colors in my living room, but I was just playing around in Annie Kate's room with them, and I think I love them for her crib, because look, those flowers and these are kind of similar, and it'll help like bring that vibe over here. Plus, I think it'll help break up all of the like monotonous like pink everywhere. So we're gonna try it once we get the sheets on the bed. our bedding and blankets are clean, I went ahead and took the bow blanket off here just to kind of see if this floral pillow would work in here. I think I like it. I need to play around with it some more. I'm also going to have to put her bed skirt back on because Will had it lowered all the way to the ground, but he moved it up just a little bit. I think it was too far down, so we're going to put that white bed skirt back on, or crib skirt, and I think that will really help tie it all together. But let me know what you think about that floral pillow. Okay, now for our little fall haul. I found some really cute stuff at Kirkland's this year, and I usually don't go to Kirkland's, so that was really fun to shop around in there. I went to Hobby Lobby and TJ Maxx and Target too. Didn't find a whole lot of fall decor at those places that I loved, but I did find one little thing at Hobby Lobby. I browsed the whole store that day, which is where we found those little pictures for Annie Kate's room. But I also found this cute little lamp. I'm loving the pleated lamps lately, and I'm loving the chargeable ones that you can set in little areas, like by a coffee pot or maybe on Annie Kate's shelves in here. I just love these little lamps, and you can do warm light, bright light, so there's several different settings, and I love that it's a tap light. So I'm excited to use this for fall, probably in the kitchen, possibly somewhere else, but I just love that. Very cute, and their lamps were 50% off, and this was $12, so this was literally $6. Okay, now for the decor that we got from Kirkland's. The first thing I picked up was this little wood cutting board on a pedestal. I think that's going to be so pretty next to our kitchen sink with a hand soap on it, little floral arrangement, a pumpkin, something like that. I used to have one of these next to the sink, and it got really dingy, so I needed a new one, and I like that this one's larger, so I'm pretty sure that's where I'm going to use it. It might go somewhere else in the kitchen, but this was $29.99, and I love it because it's kind of glossed over, so I think it's going to last a lot longer than our other one did. So I love that. I also picked up this white pumpkin with a bow on it. Y'all know I could not pass that up. It's so pretty. I think that's definitely going to go in Annie Kate's room. It's got a really pretty texture, and I just think it looks so girly. So love that. I also picked up this pumpkin. I wanted to get the larger one too, but I'm going to see if they have one that maybe is a little bit prettier somewhere else. But I love the color of this. I'm going to be adding in lots of the dark brown this year. I started doing that last year, but I'm going to add to it this year. I love how it gives a little bit of like depth, dimension, kind of similar to what I'm trying to do in Annie Kate's room, trying to break up all of the light colors in our home. So I love that dark brown color. This is adorable, and I didn't used to decorate for Halloween because growing up my mom never did, but I've recently just got into doing like a few things here and there, and it's really fun for the kids. Oliver loved it last year, and so I saw this and couldn't pass it up. It's a little wicker ghost, and it actually lights up. I don't know that I'll use this because it lights up funny colors. It's like blue and green and purple, but very cute for Halloween. It reminds me of a dresser that my grandma had growing up. She had a wicker dresser, and it looks like wicker. It's actually glass, but it looks like wicker. So I thought that was so cute. I think they had a larger version of this too, and it was $19.99. Okay, and my favorite find for fall decor so far is these pillows. I've used the same fall pillows for a few years now on our couch in our living room, so I wanted to change it up this year, and I've been looking for a pattern similar to this, like the repetitive floral design. I think it's so pretty, very in right now. I'm seeing it a lot of places. But this is like a light blue, and then it's got that dark brown color that I love. And our couches are like a charcoal gray, so I think this is going to be really pretty on our couches for fall. Maybe add in some like rust color or dark brown with it as like layering pillows. So I picked up 2 of those, and I was really wishing that they were on sale because I think they were like $40 a piece. So I did not get a very good deal on those, but I couldn't pass them up because they are so pretty. So that's everything I picked up for fall decor so far. Let me know what your favorite thing is down in the comments below. Thank y'all so much for watching today's video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.